Alright, today I'm going to be doing a bike check because I have nothing better to do. And yeah, it's just an update because I got a couple new parts. But yeah. Alright, to start off, I have the Odyssey bines. Great bines, last forever, get a pair. I have the ODI long neck XL grips. Nice and long. I have the new glam bars. Sweet glams. I don't know the rise. I think it's like 8.125 or something. Yeah, they're great bars. They're the version 2s. Oh, hey puppies. I have a funday freeze stem. Don't you think about getting the ball. Don't you think about it. Yeah, so I have a funday freeze stem. And yeah, it's a pretty good stem for the price. It's pretty decent. No, you dyke. Don't get the ball. Alright, I have a BSD headset. Just a headset. I don't really care. It's okay. I have some Eastern forks, just because my friend gave them to me. And yeah, once again, with a shitty paint job for forks, but yeah. I have Fit FAFs, front and back, white walls. Really nice tires. I like them so far. I have an Odyssey Mondero 2 complete wheel. So it's the Fundero 2 hub and the Hazardlight rim. Get the fuck out of the way. Animal Cush sheet, had it for literally forever. DKC post and animal C-clamp. Got a stock bottom bracket and some dirt on my frame that I never cleaned. Shadow crank and bone sprocket. Colt half link chain. No, I'm not saying half link. Colt, I don't know, 510 chains, cheaper one, but I don't care. Mondero protocol cranks, awesome cranks, never had a problem with them. Got some Odyssey pedals, pretty okay pedals, but they're a little weird, but yeah, they're just pedals. Yeah, Fit FAF tire. Shadow Conspiracy Orbis rim, and a Demolition Rolls hub. And that's my bike. Let me know if I missed anything, but I really don't think I did. But, yeah. Oh, you got your ball. I didn't even notice. Alright.